Hey everyone, I'm Cam, data scientist at Datawisp, and today I'm going to show you how Datawisp users get the most out of their data. Let's jump right in. Datawisp helps you make data-driven product decisions for a data-driven world, whether that means retaining your users, maximizing revenue, or some other metric. Let's say you're the manager of an e-scooter company. We have a new batch of scooters that we're ready to deploy. Management has decided on 3 locations, 3 markets that we think might be viable options, but it's up to us to make the final decision. In Datawisp, we upload all of our data sources. We have scooter search events, we have ride-in summaries, we have weather, and other data. We can upload as much data as we want to Datawisp, whether it's CSVs or database connections, whatever our company has. From there, we can ask Wispy, our AI assistant, some questions about them. So maybe we'd start with how many scooters are in each city. And we can get this as a chart. It crunches some numbers and it finds the number of unique scooters that we have currently in each city. We see that in the Bronx, we have way more than in London, which is way more than in Phoenix. Each of these cities are different sizes though. So we might also want to know, what is the number of scooters per, let's do kilometer. From here, we see that in London per square kilometer, we actually have very few. In Phoenix, we have very few. But the Bronx is, even though it has the most scooters, is also the very tightly clustered. So our penetration in that market is high. If we want to deploy in the place where they're most profitable or have the most opportunity to make more revenue, then what we really want is we can define a metric if we know how much revenue we make per ride. So we know we make $1 plus 2 per minute per ride. Show the average profit per scooter per city. This will give us an idea of where extra scooters will continue to make the most profit. And again, it crunches the numbers, calculates, and we see that even though in London we currently have large gaps between the scooters, that the average profit or revenue per scooter in London is much higher than our other 2 options. So based on this, we would choose London to deploy the new scooters to. If we had other metrics, we could just as easily calculate those as well. This is an example of how we use Datawisp to maximize revenue in a quick AI-driven way that non-technical users can use. If this is something that you're looking for, give Datawisp a shot.